Hello, everyone. My name is Ray Dockery, CEO of Anaya Race. I'm going to be doing a training overview. For those of you who have became a white label member, I'm going to be going over training how to use your dashboard and basically the back panel of your website. So we're going to go step by step through these different options on your dashboard and explain to you how to use them and how to update them. I will also explain some of the settings or, as you would say, different things you can get into that are not important that you should not be messing around with unless you really know what you're doing. Because if these things are changed, you can mess up your website. So we're going to start here from all the way to the right where it says settings. We're going to start here first. So in your settings tab, you have this one here that says company. We're going to open this one right now. This one is important for you guys to update immediately when you get your site. All right. So you're going to have here your company's name, your company's address. Of course, it's going to be in health and beauty, so you don't need to change this. You're going to need to put your email address. You're going to have your email address here where it says send order to notifications. That's where you want your notifications for your orders to go to. Um, You're going to also add your email here. So pretty much all these emails are going to be the same. And for the rest of this stuff, make sure you have the correct time zone. This right here where it says domain name, you don't have to mess with that. All right. Also down here where it says edit terms and conditions. So we're going to go ahead and open that. You will notice inside, once you scroll through this, you would notice there is a pretty much a blank spot in every area that would have your website information. So where it says this company, you can say whatever your company name is. So everywhere it says this company, you'll go in here and change that information in your terms and agreement, or you can leave it as is because this company refers to this company, meaning this website. So you really don't have to mess with it if you don't want to, but if you wanted to add a little more spice to your website, you can change that if you want to. All right. So that's pretty much all you have to deal with under company tab. Shipping. Shipping pretty much is already set for you. If you want to change anything that's in the shipping, there's a couple of things that you can do to get it fixed the way you want. Like say, like if you want to change the flat rates because the way your site is set up is already set up to flat rate. So your shipping is pretty much set up the way you see here. But let's say if you wanted to charge more, charge less, say if you wanted to set this up differently, you could just call our customer service team and we can help you out with that. You also should already have the information if you're a white label member of how to basically call the technical support line 24/7. So there is a number for that as well. But this is where all your shipping information is put in. And like I said, it's preset already for you. But if you want to change any of these things and do something different, then that's fine. You have your taxes. Your taxes, like this one here, is set to Georgia taxes. So if you want to add another state, or if this is not your state, just delete this file, click add, and it'll walk you through picking the state, the zip code, you allowing you to put your percentage in and when you want this to take effect on your website. Payment. All right, this one here is very, very important. This is basically going to set up your gateway for your website. So you need to make sure that you have this set up before you start giving your URL out to your customers. All right. And one thing that I do tell my white label members to always set up a Stripe account. And in the Stripe account, um, once you do that, you just click this button here and they'll let you log in with your email address and password. And then it would automatically set your account up with a Stripe account. Um, So that'll become your payment gateway. But you can have two payment gateways. You can have the payment gateway going through Stripe, and then you come here where it says more payment types, and you can use PayPal. So PayPal standard, you would just basically go here and then drop in your email address down there. So remember here, you don't necessarily have to have Stripe, but I like to tell my white label members to have a Stripe account, because when people come to your site to buy a product and they use and you're using just PayPal, sometimes they don't want to go through the whole rigmarole logging into their PayPal or whatever. And some people who shop online only use PayPal, so you just want to have both of the options there for the customers. So that's pretty much what this payment tab was for. And the rest of these things down here, I'm not gonna go over these. This is kind of getting more in depth of what the kind of the coding of the website and changing stuff like that. So we won't go there. Reports. We'll go over this briefly right now. So there's different reports you can do. Affiliate stats is one of the main ones that I wanted to cover. And this one basically is going to track all your affiliates. So basically, how many sales they had, and all the other stuff for your affiliates will be in that report. Let's go to design. This one is a template design. So if at any time you can change your template, but just keep in mind that if you change your template, it could mess up your site, because maybe that template is not compatible with the current one you have. So all your um, products and all that stuff might not, be compatible. So then you're missing information. So just make sure you call customer service. Call us, give us a call, and just let us know if you're thinking about changing your template. But these are all the templates you can change to. They also have some templates you can also buy. So you see template here, logos, site content, navigation menu, file editor, product display settings, and homepage slideshow. So the template, you can change your template. The logo is for where you can add your logo to your website. So let's say if you started off with a logo and now you have a new one, you just go in here and where it says more logos, add your logo here. Too easy. All right. Site content. Again, this is one of those things. Let this open up real quick. Site content. This is one of the ways you can kind of go through your website. Everything that has verbiage will all be here under site content. So, for instance, like you have the About Us. If you want to change the About Us, you're already gonna have one there. But if you want to change your About Us, you can go in there and change it. Um, let's see what else. When you see right here, it says order finished. So when they're finishing their order, you can leave a message, you know, like something that you want your customers to see. Just different text on things that's going to pop up on your website when customers on your website. So you can go step by step and go through each one and make sure the verbiage is of your liking, and if you want to tweak anything. Right, even your affiliate, when your affiliate sign up as an affiliate, they also can get a message from you. If you want to um, customize this, you can, and that's why it's there for you to do that. This one also is a file editor. Has a lot to do with the coding of the site. So unless you know what you're doing, please do not mess with that one. Um, the home page slideshow. We're gonna go into video number 2. So this is gonna be the first video, video number 1.